Hi everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to ask you something. Do you ever plan something for a particular time period and have you ever achieved it? Yes, there might be many situations where you have completed, but most of the time we either exceed that timeline or within that timeline that we fixed, we either get only few tasks or few works done and the rest is incomplete. Well, that doesn't happen only in our personal lives, that even happens in IT. Okay, in IT projects, this happens. So, people have they estimate a particular timeline within which the project would get completed, but then they'll end up exceeding that timeline or either delivering fewer more items and tasks in that particular time period. Now, in traditional companies, okay, without any agile, people do sit down and they plan intensively for the entire project and how it's going to get executed. But when it comes to agile teams, the main value of agile is continuous delivery. Okay, so continuously we need to keep delivering value to our customers so that they will be able to satisfy the demands of their customers. Okay, so be it the traditional way of project execution or be it the agile framework of executing a project, whatever it may be, at the end of the day, all of us, okay, whether you're interacting with the stakeholders or clients, we need to give some amount of information or we need to intimate the stakeholders as to when we would be completing a certain amount of tasks or features and when we will be delivering it to the clients. So that's how it works. So be it whichever framework you're following, we need to deliver that. And the good news is all of us, most of us, at least 7 out of 10 people, we are bad at estimating. Okay, we either overestimate a work or we underestimate a work, and finally the given timeline that we commit to, we land up either delivering few items or we land up exceeding the timeline. So that's why, since in agile, most companies they are adopting the agile mindset and framework. In agile, we need to deliver value to the customers. So it depends on your delivery cycle, whether it's going to be a 2 week sprint or whether it's going to be every 1 month you're going to deliver releases, whatever it may be. So let's say 1 month you're going to deliver releases, okay, you're going to give out some features to the customers. So you cannot take up 15 or 20 days to sit and plan. You need to be able to do a very good strategic planning as to when, what amount of work items you will be able to deliver in what time framework. So for this particular situation, rather than intensively sitting and planning out your entire delivery, relative sizing proves to be very efficient and faster, where you'll be able to estimate how many items you'll be able to complete within a particular duration of time. Most probably it's a sprint or it can be a time frame like 1 month per release. Okay, so that's how relative sizing proves to be very efficient and important and even faster when you have to plan and estimate your work items. So I've taken a video on relative sizing for user story estimation. You can click on the link given in the description box and you can have an idea of what is relative sizing, and I will be giving you some other information on what are the different factors that developers keep in mind when they do an estimation of a user story. And in another video also that I'm going to take up in future is I'll be explaining on the different types of the estimation techniques related to relative sizing. There are many techniques, so I would be discussing every technique in forthcoming videos. So please do watch that video and also do share your feedbacks. Thank you.